Hey everybody, it's Ben from Bitrise here, and I wanted to make this video about the Step Library because the Step Library is a massive productivity boost. And so what am I talking about? Well, I've got my workflow editor pulled up, and I've got a workflow, build release candidate, and it runs a series of steps. Now, Bitrise is a mobile-focused CI/CD tool. And what that means is we maintain this library of 350 out-of-the-box steps that are pre-written to do the things that mobile developers need to do in their CI process. So if it was just sort of a general purpose tool, then what you might end up having to do is relying on custom scripts in order to implement the functionality that you need. But let's say that you've just, you've just written some UI tests and you want to run them in BrowserStack. Well, here I can just search the step library, and it's an iOS project, so I'm going to use this BrowserStack app automate step. The blue check mark means that it's a verified step. We actually are partnered with BrowserStack as well as a number of other companies in the mobile space. And so they've built this step, and instead of having to write a custom script to somehow integrate with BrowserStack, you just provide a set of inputs into the maintain step here. Now, all of these steps are open source, so I can go to properties and view open source. If a step is missing what I need, I can fork it, I can make the changes, and then I can use my forked step. Or what I can do is I can go back to the step library and I can say, you know what, for this thing, I do want to write a custom script. And I can edit that custom script directly in the workflow editor. I can drag and drop steps, change the order. And in this way, I have a tool that allows me to take these out-of-the-box components off the shelf, these steps from the step library, and really quickly construct a workflow that does, quite a bit of meaningful work without having to spend a huge amount of time with a bunch of custom scripting. So that's the step library.